morning, students. Now we start multiplication of algebraic expression. Suppose we have such pattern. 4 items are in 9 rows. So the total number of items will be 4 into 9. If 5 items are in 7 rows, then total item will be 5 into 7. If m items are in n rows, then total item will be m into n. It is symbolically. Now, if L is the length of rectangle, B is the breadth, then area of rectangle will be L into B. And if there is a cuboid whose length is L, breadth is B and height is H, so its volume will be equal to length into breadth into height. Now, multiplying a monomial by a monomial. If we have two monomials, we have to multiply them. What is the result? You have to see here. Multiplying two monomials. Suppose you have to multiply 4 into x. 4 into x means there are x 4 and these are added 4 times. There is item x and it is added 4 times. X plus x plus x plus x, you will get 4x. If there is a item 3x and 4 times, then 3x plus 3x plus 3x plus 3x 4 times, you get 12x. What do you see here? 4 into 3x is equal to 12x. It means we have to multiply the coefficients and we get the result. And variable will separately multiplied. Now the products as the following: x into 3y. X, it is x into 3 into y. So this will become 3xy. 5x into 3y. You have to multiply the coefficient 5 into 3 x y. So 15xy. 5x into minus 3y. You will multiply 5 by minus 3. 5 into minus 3 minus 15 or xy will be the answer. Similarly, we have 5x into 4x square. What will you do? 5 and 4 are multiplied. 5 4 is 20 into x square. The variable will be separately multiplied. X into x square. Base are same, so power will added. X power 1 into x power 2, you get x power 3. So 20 into x power 3, you get 20x cube. Similarly, 5 into minus 4xyz. First we multiply 5 to minus 4. 5 into minus 4, multiply the variable x into xyz. Then variable x into xyz. So we get minus 20. X into x, power will be added. 1 plus 1 x power 2. And yz are different, so it will be as it is. So we get minus 20x square yz. Multiplying 3 or more monomials, 2x into 5y plus 7z. What will you do? You will multiply 2, 5 and 7. 2 into 5 into 7 into x into y into z. X into y into z, we will get xyz. 2 into 5 into 7, we get 70. Similarly, 4xy into 5x square y square plus 6x cube y cube. So what will you do? You will separately multiply it first. The coefficient 4 into 5 into 6, you get 120. and then x into x square into x cube. These will be multiplied. X into x square into x cube, x power 1 into x power 2 into x power 3, and then you multiply y into y square into y cube. So what will be y into y square into y cube means y power 1 plus 2 plus 3. So we get 120 x power 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 x power 6, and similarly y power 6. Now there are few questions, try these. Find 4x into 5y into 7z. So you multiply 4 into 5 into 7. 4 5 is 20, 27 is 140, 140 xyz. Like this you can multiply. First find multiply 4x into 5y. It may be the method 4x into 5y, 4 into 5, 20, 20xy, then multiply 7z. So 20xy into 7z is equal to 20 into 7 into xyz. Thus you can easily do this. You have to solve all these, try these on your separate activity file. Now you have example, complete the table of the area of rectangle with given length and breadth. Here length and breadth are given, you have to find area of rectangle. So 3x is length, 5x is breadth. So 3x into 5x, 3 into 5 you get 15, x into y, xy. 9y into 4y square, 9 into 4 36, y power 1 into y power 2, so will be y power 3. So 36 y power 3. 4ab into 5bc, so 4ab into 5bc. So 4 into 5 20, a and b are 2, b into b, so b square c, so 20 a b square c. Similarly 2 l square m into 3 l m square, so it will be 2 into 3 6, l square into l square into l power 2 into 1 power more, so l power 3, m into m square, m power 1 plus m power 2, m power 3. If we multiply the same base, the power will be added. So we get 2 into 3 6 l cube m cube. Now there is another example. Find the volume of the rectangular box given below. Length, breadth and height are given. So we know that volume of rectangle is length into breadth into height. So volume will be 2ax into 3by into 5cz. So first you multiply coefficients, 2 into 3 into 5, and then ax into by into cz. So we get 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30, and all are different. So a b c x y z. Volume volume for next will be m square n into n square p into n square into p square m. So we multiply like base term, m square into m into n square into p square. Here m square into m power 2 plus 1 3, n into n square, n power 1 plus 2 3, n cube, and p into p square, p power 1 plus 2, that is p cube. So we get m cube, n cube, p cube. Similarly, volume of next 2 cube into 4 cube square into 8 cube. First you multiply 2 into 4 into 8. So this is 8 8 is 64. Q into q square. These are like this q and q cube all are having same base q. So power will be added 1 plus 2 plus 3, so q power 6. Thus you have to solve this exercise and do all try these on your activity file. So complete exercise 9.2 with example also. Thank you. Have a good day.